Hello. Here is not a knife. I'm not sure how to say this. Rime? Rime? A little bit odd design. Leatherman states that there are 4 tools on here. This is a scraper. It's a little bit beveled. I'm not sure what you can scrape, but it's not sharp or anything. This part, they say it's a screwdriver with a Phillips, but I'm not sure how that works. Let's see, there are 2 more things. Here it is. This is a, what is this called? A lace assist. I have no idea how to use this. And here is a bottle opener. We'll get back to that one. And this carabiner gets stopped by the bottle opener. A little paracord mount here. I probably would have put it a little bit more to the right so we can have some more material here, but it feels pretty strong. And let's see how this bottle opener works. Alright. Anchor Brewing Porter. Okay, how does this work? Is it like this? It is like that. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Okay. How do we, like that? Maybe? That's not very comfortable. Not very easy either. Oh, that's actually really, really rough. There we go. Let's put this bottle aside. So the ergonomics of it, when I was doing that, this was cutting into my hand here. These other things, I have no idea what they are. They appear to be for design. Not very ergonomic. But I guess that's the way they designed it. This is very strong, stronger than the Signal or skeletal carabiner design. And got it for about $5 on Leatherman.com. This was sent to me for review. Thank you for watching. More to come. Bye.